Hey, Rusty here, and welcome to the Game Creation Using Your Phone series. Today we'll be adding sound effects and collision detection to our objects, and if they're hit, it'll end the game. So let's get started. Click the bird, scroll to the bottom, press the plus, and then choose Sound. Choose Start Sound, and let's place it underneath the Glide Motion function. Click on New so that we can add a new sound from the media library. And there you go, we've added a sound effect. After the bird glides, it will chirp. Now let's add the collision detection to our player object, the balloon. Click the plus to add another event. This event will be when you bounce off. This is also a motion. Place in a clear area to start a new group of code. We want to set the bounce off of to the bird. Now click the plus so that we can add a control, and under here we want to add finish scene. And let's move it underneath the bounce event. And as you'll see, when the balloon touches the bird, the game will end. Let's make the game a little bit harder, and let's add some water at the bottom of the screen. So create a new game object, we'll add water, place it at the bottom of the screen. We will also need to give this water a motion type so that it can bounce off of objects, but it's not affected by gravity. Now we can go back to the balloon, copy the event we just created, and change the bounce off of to the water. There you go. You now have a basic game. In the next tutorial, we're going to add advanced controls.